I'm going to shade this pipe. As you can see with this one, I've shaded this using pink, and it's gone from light pink around to darker pink. I'm going to use two blues to do this. I'm going to use a light blue and a dark blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start through the middle section with my light blue, and you can see my finger is running along that line to stay in the lines. Now I control my shading, and you can remember that pressure is a big one. So I'm doing really lightly up along here, and I'm pressing harder as I come down. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back, I'm going to come down, and I'm going to keep pressing harder and get that edge looking really nice. And down here I'm going to lighten it off, because that's where I'm going to overlay my dark blue. And you can see I'm overlaying through here to get a nice smooth gradation. Now the reason I have to shade this is because it's a curved object, and I want to make it look like it's rounded, and the light is going to hit the top and the shading is going to be on the underside of that. So down here I am shading it really dark, and then I can overlap my blue over the top of that. Just by overlapping, and you can see